នេះមកពីរដ្ឋមីនីសូតាមកដល់ញូវយ៉កមកនេះមានបំណងមកស្រែកទាមទារឲ្យលោកហ៊ុនសែនចុះចេញពីអំណាចហើយបងប្អូនមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្មែរយើងនៅក្រៅប្រទេសខ្ញុំមកពីរដ្ឋមីនីសូតាមកដល់រដ្ឋទីក្រុងញូវយ៉កដើម្បីទាមទារហ៊ុនសែនចុះចេញពីអំណាចតស៊ូទាំងស្នូទាំងតកោដើម្បីឲ្យលោកហ៊ុនសែនចុះចេញពីអំណាចសូមបងស្រីជួយបន្ថែម
Hun Sen, we all not vote for you, but you stole all the vote to be a prime minister. But you are fake prime minister. You know that everybody don't want you to stay over 5 years or 10 years, 2 terms only. But you almost 40 years in power. What have you done? Only kill people to keep your power, to keep your leader. Your leader is nothing. You're not developing. You're not helping people to grow. You just kill people whoever stand against you. Only you that love yourself. But people around you, they don't want your power. The worker work like a dog. They ask to raise $160 a month. Instead of just raising, you're killing them. And the peaceful protester, they just want you to step down because you're not helping them. You take their land, you take their home, and then when they fight against you, you throw them in jail. Sometimes you kill them. Hun Sen, your power is useless. It's worthless for yourself. You know yourself. What have you done for your people? What have you done for your country? All you do is just destroy the forest. All you do is just destroy the land. You cut the land to your neighbor. All this land, your people is poor. They need the land to stay. They need the land to grow. So please, Hun Sen, step down. I want you to step down because everybody want you to step down, okay? So if you not step down, you don't want to wait like a Gaddafi, okay? Or anybody that over 40 years power, and your power is not helping anybody. You know yourself, only yourself and your family. Even your wife be a Red Cross, not helping the poor, but keep the money for herself, keep the money for her party. That's not the right. Red Cross, you have to help around the world. Whoever need help, Hun Sen, you step down, please. We don't want you to be a leader for us. You destroy the country. You destroy the land. You destroy the lake. You destroy the people. You take the land from the people and you kill them. You kill the worker. You kill the peaceful protest. You kill innocent people. Almost 40 years. You kill enough. You kill too many people. Enough for you to kill. So step down, Hun Sen. You see that no matter how hot we are, right now the weather is very cold and it's snow. We're still coming to ask you to step down, Hun Sen. Almost 40 years in power. It's good enough and you kill enough people, okay? I want you to step down. Everybody wants you to step down. The people of Cambodia want you to step down. Hun Sen, I hope you hear my voice. And you do as people ask you to do. Ask you to step down from your power. Stop killing the workers. Stop killing the innocent people. Your power is just killing and destroying the land, destroying the country. That's all you have done. You not help the poor. You grab the land what the poor have and take to your benefit. Hun Sen, you step down. The people want you to step down. Hun Sen, I don't want you in power anymore. Step down.
Thank you very much, Sister Kunsainet and Mr. Samaiko and Sister
Parajay.
Mr. Hun Sen, this is the first time that I speak to you. First, I really respect you and support you before, but after January 3rd and 2nd, it's terrifying and for 28 years, I think it's enough.
You hurt everybody.
You hurt everybody.
Physical and mind. Okay,
We just want us to step down. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.